Hey, fighting game fanatics, looking to up your combo game with a fight stick? We're breaking down the hottest options in 2024 for every budget and platform. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Nacon Daija. The Nacon Daija stands out as the ultimate fight stick available today. Don't be deterred by its size or price. Whether you're a newcomer to fighting games or seeking a reliable tool for upcoming releases, there's no better option. Built in collaboration with pro player Kayana, the Daija boasts exceptional build quality. It features premium Sanwa buttons, and the box includes both ball and bat top options for its square gate stick. Additionally, side buttons offer convenient navigation on your console. While the Daija may be a bit weighty, it might not suit gamers with limited space. However, if you have the room, the Daija promises to be a future-proof investment. It supports multiple custom button profiles, ideal for switching between fighting games, and includes a useful lock feature to prevent accidental pauses during intense tournament play. Number 2. Hori Fighting Stick Mini. For beginners who aren't ready to invest heavily in a fight stick yet, the Hori Fighting Stick Mini is worth considering. Its compact, portable design and straightforward button layout are perfect for newcomers who may feel overwhelmed by too many button options. While the build quality of Hori's Fighting Stick Mini is average, it's understandable given its price point. Despite lacking the premium feel of higher-end sticks, its lightweight design is a plus, especially for entry-level players. The ball-top stick on the Hori Fighting Stick Mini offers satisfying grip and control, despite not being Sanwa quality. The 8-button layout makes it suitable for most supported games, providing a solid gaming experience without breaking the bank. Number 3. Victrix Pro FS. The Victrix Pro FS comes highly recommended, praised by numerous pro fighting game players, including those at the recent EVO 2023 tournament in Las Vegas. If you're serious about improving your game and want top-tier quality from a fight stick, the Victrix Pro FS is a strong contender. Renowned for its premium quality, the Victrix Pro FS boasts a wide chassis, providing ample handroom during gameplay. Its exceptional build quality and attractive range of colorways, particularly the stunning purple option, set it apart. With high-quality Sanwa Denshi parts and extensive customization options, the Victrix Pro FS ensures lasting performance for serious gamers investing time into their favorite fighting games. Number 4. 8BitDo Arcade Stick. 8BitDo consistently delivers top-notch quality at affordable prices, and their arcade stick for Nintendo Switch is no exception. With its retro-inspired design reminiscent of classic Nintendo consoles, it's not just visually appealing but also incredibly well built. While it doesn't come with high-grade Sanwa parts pre-installed, the 8BitDo arcade stick allows you to easily replace the base parts with your preferred modules, if desired. Exceptional build quality, customizable profiles, button mapping, and both Bluetooth and 2.4 grams wireless connectivity make the 8BitDo arcade stick a standout choice. Whether you prefer wired or wireless play, it caters to your needs, making it suitable for both docked and portable modes of the Switch. However, for online gaming, wired play is recommended to minimize input lag, especially since only the Nintendo Switch OLED supports Ethernet cable connectivity for a more stable connection. Number 5. Mayflash F500 Elite. If you play fighting games on multiple platforms, the Mayflash F500 Elite fight stick is a lifesaver. Compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PC, and more, it's a universal option that saves you the hassle of switching between controllers. Customizability is where the F500 Elite shines. Easily personalize your stick to suit your style. While we're not fans of the default cracked plate look, Mayflash's hardware is highly modular, allowing for extensive customization. Plus, it comes equipped with top-quality Sanwa parts, loved by many for their performance. Whether you prefer the default setup or want to customize it to your liking, the Mayflash F500 Elite offers versatility and quality, making it a favorite among fighting game enthusiasts. Alright, so with all these amazing sticks, which one reigns supreme? The Nacon Daija takes the crown. It's got pro-level parts, insane build quality, and works on everything. But hey, the perfect fight stick depends on you. Let us know your pick in the comments.